Alright there guys, Axeman here with a video again on Hogcraft. It's been a while since I've done a video because I've had exams and stuff, but those are over now, and I've got a week off of holiday, but I'm going away for a couple of days to see my brother, so I'm not going to be able to do any videos then. But basically what I wanted to show you was, let me just reset this, well actually I want to start by talking to you about the Hogcraft mod. So like I said in my last sort of video, I was looking for a modder to work with, and I've now found one. So he's going to be working on the Hogcraft mod, and I've put a list of sort of things I want in the mod, ideas I've got. So like things like broomsticks, that's sort of going to be the big one, and then like custom spells, a range of those, custom items. There'll be custom plants with effects. What else? There will be things like custom NPCs. So there'll be students definitely, and then hopefully I want some sort of mission system. So either that or just NPCs which have books which have missions written in them, and when you come at the end of the mission there is a reward, or things like an actual sort of NPCs interacting with you NPC system, which when you complete the mission they can tell and they give you a reward. But basically I can't think of everything which I want which should be in the mod, so basically what I want is you guys to leave some comments, just any ideas you've got for plausible things to be in the mod, anything at all, and then I'll review them all, and if they're good I'll add them in the mod, and you'll maybe even get a mention in the credits, the modified credits of the mod when it comes out. So yeah, that's the first thing I want to talk about. If you have any ideas for a mod or element of the mod, just please leave a comment, and I will review them all and add them to the list. The other thing I'll talk about is just this next bit of the transport hub I've done. So you've all seen this bit. I've done 4 of the inputs from the stations, the 6 stations, and 5 stations you can go to because you can't go back to 9 3/4. But basically, what am I going to say? Yep. Now I've added, so you've got that bit where like inputs, then you've got the reset hub here, and then here is how the output's going to be done. Basically, each layer, so for example, this layer is diagonally, this top layer. So here, each one of these horizontal sort of paths is a variable for the track. So it might be a stop at a station, like some of them, or it could be switching a track to make it go in a different direction. So for example, with diagonally here, if we hit this, then it lights up this variable here is connected. Number 2, that is a change in track, which switches if you're going towards diagonally to bypass going past Hogwarts. You go the long way round. And then another one which will have to be done, which I haven't sorted yet, is 6. I'm not sure which way that has to go yet. I'm not sure what its default is. I can check on that later. And then another one is 7. That's the stop. So by lighting this, it'll make it so it actually stops at diagonally instead of passing through. So once I've worked out which bits need to be changed for everything, then I can work out exactly how well, which variables need to be activated, etc. And that'll be done. And then each of these, as you can see, I've got them all set out as an OR loop. So being this lit on any floor will light it here at the end. And yeah, and then this will go to element 2, and it will, whenever this is lit up, it will change it from its default into the setting which we need. So that's basically how that bit works. I was thinking once I've finished building this whole transport thing, I'm going to do an epic, very long redstone video about how it all works and breaking down the whole thing. So if you didn't understand this, hopefully you will in future. But thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all soon.